Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App that is not opening on iPhone. So first of all, you just have to swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen and hold in order to open the recent applications. So it's going to look something like this. Now you just have to fully swipe away the Cash App in order to force close it. Also, after a few seconds, you just have to reopen the app and check if it loads normally. Sometimes the temporary app freezes are one of the most common causes of the startup issues. Now, if the app still won't open, you can also restart your iPhone completely. So in order to do this, you just have to simply press the power button over here and the volume up and the down button. And then you just have to simply select this particular option that says slide in order to power off. So after powering off, or you just have to basically wait for some time until it turns back on. So after refreshing, you can try opening your Cash App application again and see if that works properly again. Now, if you are using any kind of VPNs, make sure that you remove them because these basically interrupt the internet connection, and make sure that your internet connection is also stable when you are using Cash App. You can also take a look at any kind of Cash App updates on the App Store. If you see any update, make sure that you update the Cash App application to the latest version. So you just have to keep these simple things in mind, and you need to perform these simple things and see if it is working properly again. And let me know if any of these methods work for you. Thank you.